Almis. As you can see, the winning runs that are being hit by David Malan, and there's the captain Shahid Afridi, who must be a very proud man today. As you can see, it was a very thumping win for Peshawar Zalmis. And Lahore Qalandars, obviously this is their second consecutive loss, so something to worry about for them. But overall, it was a brilliant performance by Peshawar Zalmi, and we can see that Hafiz, he looks in fine form, he was brilliant in the beginning, and then obviously he was very well supported by Tamim Iqbal, who performed brilliantly well in the previous match as well. So it was excellent from Peshawar Zalmi. And Bazid, what are your comments on this? I think Lahoris aaj bahut gusse mein ho.
Emphatic win for Peshawar. I think the bowling unit, it all started with their bowling. I think they have a fantastic attack. They've got pace, they've got fire up front. Sean Tate, Wahab Riaz, and then Mohammad Asghar, Shahid Afridi, the spinners. So they just bowled them out of the game. 118 was never going to be enough, but the way they batted and came back and totally, so I would say, decimated Lahore Qalandars. Lots to think of. 2 defeats now, another one, and they'll be thinking, will they qualify for the qualifiers?
Indeed, it was a very convincing win. And let's go over to Ramiz Raja for the presentation.
Peshawar Zalmi are unstoppable. They played another great hand of cricket, and it was clinical in fashion. And they've played 2 matches and won both of them. So congratulations to Shahid Afridi and his Peshawar Zalmi, and to the APS boys who are once again gathered here for the presentation ceremony. In the presentation party, we've got Mr. Salman Sarwar Butt, who is the Project Director, Pakistan Super League, Mr. Naveed Asghar, Chief Marketing Officer, Habib Bank Limited, and Mr. Faiq Sadiq, Head of Payment Services, Habib Bank Limited, and Mr. Khaja Atif Riaz Sikka, Director Sales and Marketing, Brighter Paints. First, a big thanks to our sponsors, HBL, Qatar Airways, Do, Brighter Paints, Cool & Cool, Zong 4G, Jaylon, Oi Hoi, Trans Group, ITW, and TechFront. Moving on to the next page now. Right, there are plenty of awards tonight. The first one goes to Mohammad Hafiz, $1,500. He's rich by $1,500 US. Brighter Paints most colorful innings. And also for having the most colorful beard. May I invite Mr. Salman Sarwar Butt to please present the next award, the HBL PSL Man of the Match trophy, designed by Swarovski, to Tamim Iqbal for his wonderful 50. Mr. Naveed Asghar to please present the HBL Man of the Match cash award of $4,500 to Tamim Iqbal. Wonderful effort, wonderful innings. Tamim, well, I can't speak your language, but what we'll do, English or English? Okay, fine. How do you feel?
Feeling very good, got to a good start in this tournament, and the team is playing amazingly, so I can't ask for anything more.
Yeah, I mean, this innings was in a way much more fluent. Do you think it that way also? Because the first innings, 50 from 51, this was more electric.
Yeah, I think I was struggling yesterday. The pitch wasn't that bad, but I think I batted well today, and I was not trying to hit too hard, and just according to the way I was playing. So I enjoyed today's innings more.
What do you make of the dressing room environment? Because you're playing first time with a lot of Pakistani players, international players also. You do play BPL, but is it any different to your own league?
See, it's not different, but the way Shahid is leading the team which is amazing. I've never played under him, and this is the first time, and I'm enjoying every moment of it. I think we can learn a lot from him and take back home and give some advice to our players and how to do things about it. So that's a very good thing to learn.
On the learning bit, are you learning any Pashto?
Not yet.
Okay. Well done and all the best. You've been really good in this tournament so far. May I now invite Azhar to please come forward. Well, Azhar, I think you need to do something Qalandari about it to win.
Yeah, of course. I think we need to do something. Things didn't go our way again today. We need to sort things out. We have a day off tomorrow, but obviously we had to play better cricket.
Obviously not enough runs once again.
Yeah, not enough. I think wickets early on, 3 wickets I think for 4 or 5 runs. From there, I think the pitch was holding a little as well, so it was hard to, cover up. But I think that was a pitch we should have scored around 150 at least.
Is batting first a problem with the target or total in mind? Is batting or does batting becomes a little easier?
I think you can say that, but as a good team, you have to, toss in not in your control. So, but I think it helps a little bit for the spinner, especially fast bowler. I think it comes on okay, but for the spinners, it does hold up a little bit.
All right. Well, better luck next time. There's still a lot of cricket left in this tournament, so hopefully you'll do well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Azhar Ali, the Qalandar's captain. Now I may invite the winning captain. It's Afridi once again. शाहिद साहब जवाब नहीं आपका, जीत ही जा रहे हैं, मुबारक हो आपको।
जी रमीज भाई अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अब आई थिंक इस फॉर्मेट का जो मेन है वो ये है कि शुरू के 6 ओवर को यूज़ करना, चाहे आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो या बॉलिंग कर रहे हो। मेरे ख्याल में हमारे क्रेडिट गोज़ टू बॉलर। आई थिंक नो डाउट उन्होंने बहुत ज़बरदस्त बॉलिंग की, और जिस चीज़ का मुझे डर था बाद में कि ग्राउंड गीला हो जाएगा, जो मेरी और आपकी शाम को बात हो रही थी, तो काफ़ी बहुत गीला भी हो रहा था, मुश्किल भी हो रहा था, लेकिन आई थिंक कि उसके बावजूद बॉलरों ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की है।
अच्छा स्प्रेड है, इसलिए बॉलिंग की बात करते हैं। शॉन टेट तेज़ हैं, फिर स्पिन भी आ जाती है, आपकी फील्डिंग माशाल्लाह से बहुत अच्छी हो रही है। सो उस लिहाज से वैरायटी भी है और फोर्स भी है, पेस भी है, स्पिन भी है।
आई थिंक रमीज़ भाई इस फॉर्मेट, ये जो फॉर्मेट, इस पर फील्डिंग बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो इसलिए हमने फील्डिंग पे $500 और $1000 इनामात रखे हैं, जिसकी वजह से लोग जान लगा रहे हैं। तो ये जावेद ने बड़ा अच्छा वो किया है कि हर प्लेयर के लिए $500 या $1000 जो अच्छी फील्डिंग करेगा, तो सारे कंपटीशन में लगे हुए हैं। वेल आई थिंक ओवरऑल फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छी रही है, और मैं समझता हूँ कि इस तरह की मैचेस में, इस तरह के गेम्स में फील्डिंग का बहुत अहम रोल होगा।
बिल्कुल सही बात है। और जाते जाते APS के स्कूल के बच्चे फिर यहाँ पे मौजूद है, बहुत ही अच्छा जेस्चर है।
आई थिंक बच्चों ने बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय किए। कल का दिन भी है इनके पास, फरारी वर्ल्ड भी गए, हर जगह दुबई मॉल भी घूमे फिरे। बड़ा लोगों ने, यहाँ के लोकल शेख्स जो थे, लोगों ने, कम्युनिटी जो थी, उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा इनका साथ दिया, और इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद करते हैं कि सारे गम बुला के इंशाल्लाह वापस पाकिस्तान जाएंगे।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका शाहिद, and do well. The winning captain Shahid Afridi, once again Zalmi playing brilliant cricket and winning this quite easily in the end. That is what we have from the presentation ceremony down here as well.
Excellent performance there by Peshawar Zalmis. But we'll take a short break, and when we come back, there's loads more to discuss. So stay tuned.